realized that maybe growth is just going back to something that once scared you and finally understanding it. Hello there, you're here. So, welcome to another episode of the Random Things I Learn. Random in the sense of it's not really concerning you, but okay, let's hear it. You see, in secondary school, I had the topic ecology. All that talk about habitats and all was just so annoying. Aquatic, terrestrial, grassland, tundra. It was just like too much. Once I see all the branches, my brain will just quietly leave my body. Yes, my brain will just quietly. Ecology says, welcome back. And this time, there's no way to escape because I have got to do it. So instead of complaining, I sat down and drew this chart to finally understand habitat and how they actually work. And it eventually made sense. Let me tell you something, it's not as scary as it looked. Habitat simply means the natural home of any organism. That's all, where something lives. Now, everything branches into two major categories, aquatic and terrestrial. Under aquatic, we have freshwater, marine, and under freshwater, we have lentic and lotic. Lentic is still water, think lake, pond. Lotic is flowing water, think river, stream. Marine is salt water, ocean, sea, high salinity, different organism, different adaptations. That's just my code for it. And then there's Eusterian. This one is special. It is where fresh water flows into the sea. So the salinity keeps changing. It is not fresh, it is not marine. It is called brackish water. Organism, you have to be flexible. Now, terrestrial means land, simple. This one branches into forest, grassland, desert, tundra, mountain. Forest can be tropical, rainforest, temperate forest, or bora forest. Grassland includes savanna and temperate grassland. Desert can either be cold or hot. Tundra can be arctic or uphill. Mountains include montane forest and alpine. Sorry, excuse my pronunciation. Now, when you look at it like this, I realized something. The problem wasn't really ecology. It was me. That's how I was seeing it. Because, seriously, with the charts, it's all understandable because everything falls into a category. And I realized that maybe growth is just going back to something that once scared you and finally understanding it. If you learned something, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.